I always wanted to create a place where people can come with their family, because to me family is the most important thing, and I just wanted to see a smile on a people's face by providing a great dessert with a great ingredients. Dolci Paradiso, that means heavenly sweet. It's a dessert place that people can come over here and enjoy dessert. Last year, me and my husband, we went to Laguna Beach. While we were walking, we smelled something and we followed that smell because we wanted to know like where that smell coming from. So there was a little small shop, and we waited 20 minutes just to see what's inside. And finally, there is a small gelato place. We waited 20 to 30 minutes to get one scoop of gelato, but it was so good. And I wanted to decide that I wanted to open up a gelato place here in Oklahoma City. Once you taste gelato, the things you can taste, it's the flavor, not sweetness or coldness. We offer gelato, pastries, and coffee. Everything made here in-house every day. I don't buy pre-made bases. I make my base here in-house by using milk and cream and try to use natural product as much as I can. I love fruits, so all my sorbets, they are my favorite, especially mixed berries. It's just nothing but water, sugar, and mixed berries. That's it. Dolci Paradiso, it's a great place for family to hang out and eat desserts after dinner, after lunch, or after school time. Anytime, you guys are welcome to come and try our new flavors every single day.